Hello guys, we are looking on how to create a credential template. Here is the simple 3-step process. Step 1, update your program details. Step 2, update your design. Step 3, update your branding details. In update your program details, you can add the name of your program, organization name, a brief info about the event, acquired skills, credential signatory's name, earning criteria, credential validity in months, give 0 for lifetime validity. Second step, update your design. Here you have 2 options to update the design. 1, you can upload image from your system if you already have one, or you can use the help of Canva to design a certificate or badge from scratch. Third step, update your branding details. You can upload a banner image or a Vimeo video. Try to follow the recommended formats. Also add the branding message, call to action button label, and call to action link. Finally, you can save the credential template and it will appear in the home page. Start awarding. Happy credentialing!